Assalamu alaikum 10th class. In Pakistan Studies class, we are doing chapter number 1. Governments of Benazir Bhutto is our today's topic, in which first of all we will discuss Benazir's first term in office, that is 1988 to 1990. After the death of Ziaul Haq in plane crash, Ghulam Ishaq Khan became the new president of Pakistan. He announced elections in the country. Elections were conducted in November 1988, and in result, Pakistan People's Party got majority in those elections. President invited Benazir Bhutto on 1st December 1988 to form the government. She took oath as the Prime Minister on 2nd December and got the vote of confidence from the Assembly after 10 days. In her first public statement, Benazir gave her party's manifesto or program, in which she told that the government will follow the path of peace and friendship, and it will work with the unity, peace, and freedom. In respect to foreign relations, the government will try to have friendly relations with America and USSR, that is Russia. You know, before this government, there were bad relations with USSR on the issue of Afghan crisis. So now the new government decided to have friendly relations with Russian government. The interest of the third world's countries were supported. Rivalry between India and Pakistan was mitigated. The government will try to have friendly relations with the Indian government, and the rivalry between the two countries will be tried to become less. For the internal policy, the government made friendly relations with the MQM, that was the biggest party of Sindh. The government made the policy to give freedom to the press. For that reason, the National Press Trust was dissolved, and Radio Pakistan and PTV, they became the autonomous bodies. The political prisoners were released, and the ban on trade unions, that was lifted. Trade unions were banned by the government of Ziaul Haq. To make good relations with Indian government, on the occasion of SAARC conference, which was held in Pakistan on December 31st, 1988, Benazir Bhutto and the Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi, they signed an agreement that nobody will attack on the nuclear installations of each other. At that time, few more agreements were made, as the exchange of cultural delegations. The people who belong to media, they will move from one country to another. And the abolition of dual tariffs. Tariffs are the taxes. So the governments decided not to apply the dual tariffs from both sides on trade. That point was taken to promote trade relations between the two countries. For the betterment of the people, Benazir's government started People's Works Program in Peshawar on April 23, 1989. After the elections of November 1988, Pakistan People's Party formed the government in the center, and IJI, Islami Jamhuri Ittehad, it got majority in Punjab. There were no good relations between the two countries, between the two parties. Both the parties were standing against each other. On August 6, 1990, President Ghulam Ishaq Khan, by using the power of 8th Amendment, dissolved the National Assembly and demolished the government of Benazir Bhutto on the charges of corruption and misuse of the powers. He announced that the new caretaker Prime Minister will be Ghulam Mustafa Jatoi and new elections will be held on 24th October 1990. Thank you.